Have you ever wondered why some people struggle financially despite working hard? They might be stuck in a cycle of overspending on things they don't need. In this video, we're diving into 15 things poor people waste money on and how to reverse the cycle. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to break free from spending traps and start building a solid financial foundation. So let's get started. We've all been there, signing up for a free trial and forgetting to cancel it. But those monthly subscriptions can add up. Just 3 streaming services can cost you $360 per year. Unsubscribe from anything you don't use regularly and consider rotating your entertainment subscriptions. This way, you're still enjoying your favorite shows, but only paying for one service at a time. Cooking can be a chore after a long day, but eating out too often drains your bank account. A meal at home might cost $5–10 per person, while a restaurant meal can easily be $20–30. Eating out twice a week can cost you $200–400 per year. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Challenge yourself to cook at home more often. Start with simple recipes and meal prep on weekends. Treat eating out as a special occasion, not a regular habit. Scrolling through social media and suddenly, bam, an ad for something you must have. Impulse purchases are the enemy of financial progress. These small unplanned buys add up over time. The key to conquering impulse purchases is to have a plan, create a budget and stick to it. Write down everything you need before going to the store and avoid browsing tempting aisles. If shopping online, give yourself a 24-hour cooling off period before clicking that buy button. We are bombarded with ads telling us we need the latest gadgets and trendiest clothes. But the generic or store brand option often works just as well and costs significantly less. You're paying a premium for that fancy logo. Often it's the same quality as the generic option. Challenge yourself to try store brand products. You might be surprised at the quality and savings. Remember, your money should be working for you, not lining the pockets of big corporations. Credit cards and payday loans might seem like easy solutions, but they come with high interest rates. These rates can quickly snowball, turning a small debt into a mountain of financial burden. Imagine racking up $5,000 in credit card debt at an 18% interest rate. You'll end up paying thousands in interest alone. The best way to avoid high-interest debt is to be proactive. Create a budget and stick to it. Avoid unnecessary expenses and build an emergency fund for unexpected costs. If you're already struggling with debt, prioritize paying it down as quickly as possible. The lottery can be tempting, but the odds of winning are astronomically low. You're more likely to get struck by lightning twice than to win the Powerball jackpot. That $2 lottery ticket might not seem like much, but buying one every week adds up to over $100 per year. Over a lifetime, that's thousands spent on a pipe dream. Instead of relying on luck, focus on building wealth through hard work, smart saving, and investing. These methods offer a much more reliable path to financial security. You've just bought a new device, and the salesperson is pushing for an extended warranty. But extended warranties are often overpriced and unnecessary. Most reputable brands offer decent manufacturer's warranties, and many credit cards offer purchase protection. Instead of paying for an extended warranty, put that money towards your emergency fund or invest it. If something goes wrong, you'll have the financial cushion to handle it without relying on an overpriced warranty. That new car smell is intoxicating, but new cars depreciate in value faster than almost any other asset. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses a significant chunk of its value. Instead of buying a new car, consider a used one that's a few years old. You'll save money, avoid steep depreciation, and still have a reliable vehicle. Remember, a car is a means of transportation, not a status symbol. Fast fashion tempts us with the latest trends at low prices, but there's a hidden cost. Poor quality, unethical labor practices, and environmental impact are all consequences of fast fashion. Instead of buying cheap clothes that fall apart, invest in quality pieces that last longer. Shop at thrift stores, consignment shops, or online marketplaces for gently used clothing. You'll save money, reduce textile waste, and develop a unique personal style. Avoid the cycle of overconsumption and make more sustainable fashion choices. We live in a world of instant gratification, where convenience often comes at a price. ATM fees, delivery charges, and late payment fees can quickly add up and eat away at your cash. Plan ahead to avoid these hidden costs. Withdraw cash from your bank to avoid ATM fees. Cook at home more often to avoid delivery charges. And set reminders to pay bills on time. Be mindful of these small fees and find ways to avoid them. Signing up for a gym membership with the best intentions, only to let it collect dust. Monthly membership fees can add up, especially if you're not using the gym regularly. Before signing up, consider your fitness goals and how likely you are to stick with it. Explore alternatives like home workouts, outdoor activities, or free community fitness classes. Fitness doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Staying hydrated is crucial, but relying on bottled water is wasteful and expensive. The average person spends around $100 per year on bottled water. Invest in a reusable water bottle and carry it with you everywhere. Most public places have water fountains or refill stations, allowing you to stay hydrated for free. Save money and reduce plastic waste by ditching bottled water. Cable TV has become an expensive and often unnecessary luxury. The average cable bill is over $100 per month. That's over $200 per year. With streaming services, you can access a vast library of content for a fraction of the cost. Evaluate your entertainment needs and see if cutting the cord is right for you. Smoking and vaping are bad for your health and terrible for your finances. A pack-a-day smoker spends over $20,500 per year, and vaping isn't much cheaper. Smokers and vapers face higher insurance premiums, increased healthcare costs, and decreased productivity. Quitting is one of the best things you can do for your health and wallet. There are countless resources available to help you quit, including support groups and medications. That daily latte might seem like a small indulgence, but it adds up. Buying a $5 latte every weekday costs $1,300 per year. Invest in a good quality coffee maker and brew your own coffee at home. Challenge yourself to make coffee at home for a month and see how much you save. Enjoy the ritual of brewing your own coffee and the extra cash in your pocket. So there you have it, 15 things that might be holding you back financially. Building wealth isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices with your money. Did you gain any insights from this video? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial journey starts today.